Suffering from the floods, great swathes of the south of the UK have been affected, from Cornwall to Kent, and with more heavy rainfall forecast in southern England and Wales, the Environment Agency is warning of more flooding misery to come. Our science editor, David Shipman, reports.
For mile after mile after mile, the endless vistas of flooding that have transformed so much of Britain this winter. Between Bristol and Exeter today, a train forced to a halt, stranded amid a vast and spectacular ocean covering the fields. Just one of countless examples of what extreme weather can mean for us.
They're going to go and send someone round to Riverside and have another check on Riverside.
For the second time in a week, the village of Bridge in Kent has been flooded. There's been so much rain that water is now bubbling up through the ground. But unlike in Somerset, people here don't think anyone is to blame.
The real worry is the water coming up from groundwater actually through the flooring now. So, yeah, there's not a lot we can do with that, I'm afraid.
People keep coming around and all that, but it's no use pumping it now, because as soon as they pump it, it still keeps going up to the floors.
In Surrey this afternoon, we found water suddenly spilling over the roads. The River Thames is rising again. You might expect this kind of thing every few years or so, but not nearly as often as we're seeing now. This lane has become something of a river. There are scenes like this up and down the country, and the real challenge is the sheer scale of what's happening, and it's going on multiple fronts. There's flooding from swollen rivers, and from intense rain, and from the sea, and the real difficulty is that it's just been going on for so long, 2 months so far, and the worst is, it isn't over yet.